Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 231, which is power of 2. This is a very common math and bit manipulation interpretation. So let's get started. In this problem statement we are given an integer and return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise return false. An integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n is equal to 2 power x. So let's take an example number one. Is n is equal to 1? True, because 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So let's take an second example. N is equal to 16 because true. Output is 2 because 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So in this problem statement, the idea is very simple. We iterate from I is equal to 0 up to 30 because 2 raised to 30 is about 1 billion, which covers the range of 32-bit single sign integer. For each I, calculate 2 raised to I. After that, if any point 2 raised to I is equal to n, so return. So this is the power of 2. So if no matches are found, so we return false. Otherwise, we return true. This because this work because we are directly checking all possible power of 2 within integer of range. So let's write the code. First of all, we write a for loop. Integer I is equal to 0, I less than 31, range of the sign integer. After that, inside the for loop, integer answer, we calculate the power to I. Okay, inside this, if answer is equal to n, so we return true, otherwise we return false. Okay then, so that's it for the code. So run the code. As you can see, every test case is passed and our code is successfully run. So time complexity of this code is order of 31 because we iterate to 31. Space complexity of this question is bigger of 1. So and that's it. We just solved this question. Thank you for the watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.